Okay, so sir, the very first button I'm going to circle it for you. The very first button, this button here, you should press right. So right now we are going to wait until this button here, which shows the wireless, it will initially start blinking in blue and then it will remain blue. At that moment, it seems that your um, printer is connected wirelessly to your home network. Let's wait until it will remain blue. It's blue. Can you please press on the button which reads I? It's this button here which reads I from information. Press on this button and it's going to print the information page on your printer. Thank you. So if you see on this printer information page, you have several information, including your IP address for this printer, which is right here. So we are good to go. Can I close the ticket on your behalf? Thank you, sir.